Hello everyone, I'm Giuseppe Mamano and welcome back. In this short video, I will show you a time lapse of a painting that I did of this beautiful and cute dog. Please watch the video until the end because I'm gonna reveal a surprise that is gonna happen pretty soon. Let's get to the intro. Alright guys, we're done for today. Thank you for watching. It was an amazing experience as always. Hope you guys enjoy. Now, at the beginning of this video, I promised to give you this kind of surprise for you. And the surprise is that I will have a full tutorial on how to paint a beautiful lab. This tutorial is gonna be, I think, 1 hour, 1 hour and a half, or maybe more. I will explain everything step by step, all my mixing, all my thinking. Was a lot of hour painting. I might cut it out and make it, like I say, shorter. I don't think you guys want to stay with me like a 10 hour or 15 hour with me talking, explaining how to make a dog, but I put on this video, I think, everything that you guys should know. I'm sure that at the end of the tutorial you guys have learned a lot and maybe do your own portrait or maybe paint your own dog. Okay, so remember to subscribe my channel for more videos like this and I will see you soon. Ciao!